Hi everyone, I am Jatin Damania, Research Analyst with Kotak Securities PCG Research. At PCG Desk, I cover metals and mining, chemicals and mid-cap stocks. For Samvat 2079, from a chemical space, I am recommending SRF as a top pick with a fair value of 2,830. Why do I like SRF? There are three reasons for it. First, fluoro specialties, fluoropolymers, and aluminum foils would be a key earnings drivers for the company. Second, refrigerant prices are expected to remain firm because of a supply tightness in the market. And third, management has announced a sharp increase in the capex to the tune of 15,000 crores for the next 5 years, predominantly focused towards chemical space where demand remains robust and opportunities are ample. So for all these three reasons, I am positive on SRF with a fair value of 2,830. The fair value is based from a 12 months perspective from a report date. Thank you and wishing everyone a happy Diwali.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.